Yeah, I post say I do.
You? I think was the only one in the back room, I guess. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you're here for arraignment tonight or for probation violation. You should have went over your form already and signed your name indicating how you want to plead to the charge, whether you want to plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest. If you're charged with a state law or a state statute violation, you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine. If you're charged with a state ordinance violation, you can be sentenced up to 6 months in jail and $1,000 fine. You have certain rights on that form that you sign: the right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, the right to confront and entertain witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. When you come forward, I will make sure that you understand your rights. When any of your you be sentenced to court. Delvin Scales. Mr. Scales, how old are you? How much formal education do you have? 14 years. What do you work? You understand your right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront and entertain witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself? Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication? You indicate that you wish to enter a guilty plea to a reduced charge of improper decal. Is that correct? Yes, sir. So you also have a failure to appeal? Yes, sir. What did you miss for? Honestly, sir, I forgot about it. And my work, I take work and I do it. I took a guilty plea to a reduced charge of improper decal. What was the problem with the tag? I just registration when I had my insurance about, and it's almost like I have insurance that I had to do this. Reducing the charge will cost your license not to get suspended. The fine is $600. At the contempt, they had into that already. The contempt is $70. So the total is $670. When can you pay that? Cash your money on. Now when 6 months payment. When can you pay the balance for the 70? Now pay it by next court date, which is October 24th. You can pay the $600 over there and the rest of it by then. Also, they said my license got suspended. I was trying to make sure I get that time. On the 15th? All right, you'll be given a release. I believe we'll do.
You can either get it tomorrow.
Okay. They pick that up from the police department? Okay. You live here? I stay in Auburn. All right. Thanks, sir. Daniel Jones. Mr. Jones, how old are you?
66,
How much formal education do you have?
half of the college,
Where do you work?
all fields.
You understand your right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront executed witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. And that mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication. Based upon the agreement, the court will accept a guilty plea to a reduced charge of improper detail. Fine is $185. When can you pay that?
Okay.
Today? Pay that over there and on the case. Thank you. Tronza Brownlee. How old are you? How much education do you have? Who you master at? 10? Are you still in school? You trying to get your GED? Where? Have you started already? You understand your right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront executed witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself? Have you been vaccinated? No? That's how you get to keep the mask up, all right? Any reason you haven't been vaccinated? Choose not to. What's the problem with your headlight? You didn't have it on, it's not working. You have a learner's license? You ever try for your other license, or you can't try for it till you get a high school diploma? I can't hear you. Just talk loud.
He told me she was gonna quit wearing so I get my license. I had my hard over the year.
Who do you live with? You pay out a bill for you? Okay, accept the guilty plea on the headlights required, the fine is $85. And on the violation of license restriction, the fine is $117. Place you on PTI for 12 months. I'm going to place you on pretrial intervention for 12 months. We'll explain to you what that is. You can pay your fine over that time. If you're not working, you can convert your fine to community service. You need to show proof that you're in school for your GED. You are to obtain a valid driver's license if you can. You understand? Now, pretrial is a program where you go on this light probation, you do what you're supposed to do, and the charge will be dismissed. Okay? Yeah, and I understand you have a problem with transportation, maybe? Me too. Talk to probation, you can report by phone and some other method. Talk to probation. You can report by telephone or some other method, but you gotta report. You gotta do what I'm ordering you to do. All right? You're not gonna wear your mask around other folks who need to get vaccinated. Thank you, sir. Put that table in the back on the right. Fontavia, Dasty or Darcy, D-A-S-S-I-E. How you pronounce your last name?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you? How much education do you have? What do you work? You understand your right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself? Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication? You want to enter guilty plea to seatbelt violation and a reduced charge with no proof of insurance? You have valid insurance now? What happened to the car? Hmm? You working full time? I court accept the guilty plea to seatbelt violation, the fine is $15. Court accept the guilty plea to a reduced charge, no proof of insurance. Fine is $480. How much time do you need to pay that? About $495. I mean, I had to pay within 30 days. That'll be November 8th. You can have paid by November 8th. You can step over there and get the pen. Tevin Edwards. Tevin Edwards.
Sir.
Mr. Edwards, how old are you?
31 years old, sir.
How much education do you have?
12 years.
What do you work?
8 long.
You understand your right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witnesses, the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself.
Yes, sir.
Are you currently under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
That's nice. Are your license valid now?
Yes, sir.
Already suspended?
Been 5% like the Cairo Board.
You got the DUI cleared up?
Yes, sir.
Did they reduce it or did you get placed
They
on probation?
reduced it to regular driving.
I accept the guilty plea to seatbelt violation, the fine is $15. People burn the street burn the company up there. I accept the guilty plea to reduced charge of no license on person. The fine is $800. When can you pay that fine?
850 now.
Yes, sir.
Probably when you next court date.
November 8th.
Okay, yeah,
All right, pick up a screen over there and pay it for that day. Tashima Gordon. Tashima Gordon. Ms. Gordon, how old are you? How much education do you have? How far did you go in school? Do you have any college? How many years of college do you have? Okay. Where do you work?
lost my job back in June because my son quit for years and they could no longer hire me. So they had to let me go. I was on my job for 5 months. And that was that last issue.
You have valid insurance, man?
Yes, sir, I showed it.
It was not before. What did you actually do? You run a stop sign or a red light or something?
I'm sorry.
What did you actually do? Did you run a red light or a stop sign or something?
Yeah,
Red light. And what was the problem with your insurance?
I'm sorry. I didn't,
What was the problem with your insurance?
what was the, what?
Why do you have insurance?
Yeah, it was not my vehicle, and I could not, find the card, and I got on the phone with him, and he had to bring his insurance to get it out of town. I
You-
borrowed the car to go get a part for my car, out of our vehicle.
The car didn't have insurance on it, it did.
It did have insurance. The company that he had, he couldn't get them on the phone to show the proof right then, so he came to here and had to show proof to order.
Do you have something to show that you had insurance on the vehicle on,
I'm sorry.
September the 3rd? Do you have something to show that the vehicle had insurance on September the 3rd, 2022?
Yes, that's what it showed.
Let me see it.
Oh,
Excuse me, man. No probation violation, you may want to public defender let go. Then maybe he and the prosecutor make a deal or not. Then you need to get a prosecutor to that case for you. Thanks, sir. Come forward. What did that say? When did you get insurance? What date?
no, he had,
Let me ask you, what did that show him in? They show him anything different? It's like insurance issued on 9/3.
well, no,
Yep, right there.
that's what the company emailed him. And he sent it to me while we were standing right there.
Well, I need something to show that you had insurance on like September the 2nd.
Okay, it's not my vehicle, that's all.
I understand all that. I understand all that. But you don't have anything, you told me that it had insurance on it, you just didn't have a card. And so I said, show me something to show me that you had insurance on the day you stopped. You showed me something where you got insurance after you had stopped.
Well,
And I know it's not your car, but,
that's all I have, that's what he gave me.
so you, the car
And
didn't
I
have it.
tried to get him to come so he could show it to me.
All right. Okay, you can get that.
Yeah, that was the basis of reduction out of proof insurance.
The basis was because they got insurance after the fact?
That's correct.
Huh?
She didn't have insurance to show time lapse.
Say it again?
Time to stop.
Say again? I can,
She didn't have any proof to show the time of the stop. She now has insurance. That's the basis of the reduction.
oh, let's have insurance. Accept the no contest plea to no insurance. The cost of your, financial difficulties, I reduced the fine on that one to $280. And accept the guilty plea to too fast for condition. That fine is $195. Place you on probation for 12 months. Waive your first month of probation fee. If you can pay it off in 30 days, you don't have any fees. If you don't, you have to start paying probation fees. You may convert your fine to community service. You have any questions? Ma'am? All right, thank you, ma'am. Legal probation unit. Jalen Jackson. Jackson, how old are you? 20? You been vaccinated?
Yes, sir.
How many?
Shit.
How many shots?
Oh, I got one shot. Talking about for the COVID shot?
Sir?
The COVID?
Yeah,
Yeah, I got one shot.
one.
Mm-hmm.
How many you need? One?
I mean, I need.
That's right, that's right answer. You don't know. Minimum of 2. I think I had 5 already, because I'm old. You need at least 2. Just 2.
I'm scared.
Who you messing up with me now? I'm old, you give me stick, it'll be a bad day for me. What do you do every day?
Work. I got a bunch of y'all that work.
You work full time?
Yeah.
You finish high school?
Yes, sir. And I went to college for 1 year.
Why did you stop going to college?
I had a baby. And I was going to school in North Carolina.
Did you take care of that charge of Tipton yet?
Yes, sir.
When?
I just got out a week and a half ago.
You got out of jail?
Yes, sir.
So did that take care of your case and get your license reinstated?
No, sir.
What about the one in Albany? Did you get that one fixed?
Yes, sir.
When did you get that one fixed?
What was that charge again?
I don't know, it was a failure to appear and your license was suspended for it.
Oh, the failure to appear was this court right here. I got stopped speed, and then my license was suspended.
Mr. Jackson, don't try to tell me what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. I'm looking at the record. You're a typical person your age where you get a ticket and you don't go to court and take care of it. There's nothing bad about that because all of y'all do it, or most of you do that. But I'm looking at your record and it shows you have failed to appear in Albany and one in Tipton. So I'm asking you about since your license is still suspended. I'm trying to figure out with you which one you're taking care of and what you have to take care of.
My license is suspended.
I know. You said you went to jail in Tipton. Did that clear it up or you just did some jail time and they put you on probation?
I had some other stuff going on in Tipton, like
You had some felonies going on? So what about the traffic violation in Tipton State Court? You had some other stuff going on. You take care of the little stuff too? Or you don't know?
This stuff already too. Somebody misdemeanor, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I already took care of that. I had the jail time.
And why is your license not reinstated then?
I like my license not reinstated. I just told you I did get out.
Going to jail won't suspend your license.
Huh?
Going to jail won't suspend your license.
No, why they not? You saying what I'm saying? Like I just got out like a week ago.
Or you ain't have time to get them yet.
Yes, sir.
So you don't have to arrest?
The one is that one.
Is that a part of a bond or part of a sentence?
Bond.
What kind of charge you have there?
For the last one,
Mm-hmm.
three counts of aggravated assault.
With a gun, a knife, or what?
Alleged.
That's a nice word, I like it.
That's what they say.
All right. How long were you in jail?
Like a month and 3 days.
When did you go? Give me a roundabout date when you went.
August 13th.
August 13th.
Sir.
You got out a couple of days ago?
Yes, sir.
What day was
A
that?
couple weeks, like a week and a half ago. Like September. If it wasn't September 30th, it was October 1st.
You didn't go on August the 18th?
Sir,
You went on August the 18th to August the 13th?
you say the 18th?
You got this ticket on the 18th. But we think you went in on the 13th.
Yes, sir. August 18th.
Okay. On the speeding, the court accepted guilty plea. Based upon the agreement, the speed is set at 49 and 35. On the suspended license, the court reduces that to no license on person. I accept the guilty plea for that, sentence you to 10 days in jail with credit time served. You are ordered to show proof of a valid driver's license on or before November the 8th, 2022. You got to get your license, come back to court and show it to somebody, or show it to the police department before that day. You got it? You don't have it, they can't get it, you got to come back to court. All right?
You said for November 8th?
Yep. And I gave you a jail time, so you don't have a fine or anything. Credit for time served. Get a summons from over there and you're released. Sheba Brown.
She's outside, man.
All right. Somebody out there to keep the kid?
She's out here. She's the one.
Okay.
You want her to bring the children with her?
I'll go out there to her, she want me to come out there now.
Get your cornball, baby.
Been vaccinated? What's your name, sir? You come forward. Have you had a chance to go over this petition with the attorney? Is there an agreement on it?
Yes, we use an example.
Yes, ma'am, I'm listening.
Yes, sir.
Is there a grant agreement on Mr. Williams?
Yes, sir. Restoring back the probation.
What about the violation? Does he admit them, deny them, or what?
He admit.
All of them?
Yes, sir. And if you had some money to pay down, they'll send the money to them.
I need to know more than that, because I gotta write something down. You know what I mean? If you agree that he stipulated he violated probation, he paid $1,000, need to write. He paid $1,000 for violation and he restored probation.
No, sir. He has, after he has $100 to go for probation, $100.
You gonna pay that today?
Yes, sir.
Was he in jail? No?
He was in jail. He got arrested for the one on September the 5th, but he was released from jail for his coming court on September 13th. He spent 8 days in jail.
Yeah, I believe he was picked up on state convention, if I remember right.
He gonna charge of speeding and no license on purpose?
Yes, sir.
If no license on purpose, they started us suspending license.
It started off as suspended, driver's suspended license.
Was the condition that he get a valid driver's license? Or the probation?
And he presented a driver's license to me. I believe it says in 21 cases. I believe also he's supposed to be back in state court next month. That's,
You got a copy of the horse, original horse?
Yes, sir.
Why you let me make the note?
I think I made this one.
All right, then.
His consecutive case that he has is the driver's suspended license.
Okay.
He came back and,
With the condition on that, that he is paying a valid license.
yes, sir.
It is. Okay. I think so. And he has dropped that.
he presented me a valid driver's license.
You take it?
I don't have it. He didn't get it.
That's conditional probation.
That's condition of his second case that just started. Yes, sir.
Get your license.
But I don't get it because it stopped recording.
Mhm.
He's got a stop.
Okay.
I let you know. I didn't do that.
All right, the defendant is pay $100 on the stipulation. He served 8 days in jail. This case will be terminated.
Mr.
He's
Brown,
still on probation on a new case, according to what she's saying. On that new case, you gotta produce a driver's license to them. And show them you satisfy one of the conditions, all right?
now, Ms. Brown's,
Ms. Brown, you come forward.
Mr. Green spoke to her earlier. She indicated she had some issues reading, Your Honor. Mr. Green's not telling her documents.
All right.
Yes, I did.
Ms. Brown, how old are you?
How old are you, ma'am?
How much education do you have? How far did you go in school? No. Kindergarten, first grade, 10th grade. Why you never went to school? One time. And do you work anywhere? Do you work anywhere? Have you ever worked anywhere? We understand, we sent us up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on the speeding charge, and $50 to $100 on the seatbelt charge. You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront and interview witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. You understand those rights? Hmm? What? I can understand.
I said, I have a question.
Okay.
With the speeding limit, I know with the speed.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk about that. I don't. Take your client to the back room, please, sir. Is that okay? Ms. Brown, I accept guilty pleas to both charges. I suspend the fine based upon hardship. You and I had a conversation with the attorney in the back room. He talked to us about the confidential stuff. You take care of those 5 children and do what I say to do by getting somebody to talk to. Because if you don't, I'm gonna do what? Put you in jail. All right. Well, good luck to you. Get the kids back to Florida and find somebody to talk to about all the stuff that's going on. All right. Okay, you can go. You adding to them? Shanti Smith? Shanti Reed. All right. Ms. Smith, how old are you?
28,
Move your hand from your pocket. How much education do you have?
15,
Where do you work?
telecommunications firm.
You understand your right to a trial, the presumption of innocence, the right to confront and execute witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
I'm for
What was the problem with the insurance?
I had paid it that morning, but they didn't show confirmation until the later afternoon.
Why were you stopped by police?
No insurance, and I'll take my son's food.
Eating?
No.
Ag leader or something?
Who?
Yeah, man. Charge you reduced to no proof of insurance. And reduced the fine to $100. When can you say that?
I can pay that and not go be.
All right. Clear today if they're still around. That resolve the case. Tell them we can be back in 5 seconds. You got to let you That's what I'm about to say. Okay.
I can't hear you.
Angel Smith.
She's outside.
All right. She don't come from Fort Lauderdale government. Yeah, Ms. Smith, how old are you? How much education do you have? Where do you work? Have you been vaccinated? You know why? You know why you haven't? You know why you don't wear a mask and you haven't been vaccinated? Hmm? Have you ever worn a mask?
A man? Yes.
Okay. You have your license back now?
Yes, sir.
Why were they suspended?
Failure to appear in Georgia County. I got sick during COVID-19 period, and they rescheduled my court date, but I had already moved, and I changed my address with the DOT, but I didn't know I had to go to the courthouse to get my new address.
What's number 5 for tax? So, Ms. Smith, on the driving suspended license, I'm gonna follow the recommendation and reduce that to no license on person. On the guilty plea, the fine is $350. Failure to move over for emergency vehicle is reduced to too fast for condition by recommendation and agreement. I accept the guilty plea, that fine is $300. Improper decal, what the tag charge is reduced to. On a guilty plea, that fine is $200. When can you pay the fine? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $850.
Thursday,
You have $850 in 30 days?
yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes,
What about by November the 11th? That's about 3 days short of 30 days. That's the next court date that you need to have paid by then.
yes, sir.
That's a long time. If you can't, I just go ahead and place you on probation till you get on.
No, sir, I can
I have it paid by November the 18th, 2022. You step over there and pick up they put the amount on it. And when you gotta come back to court, if you can't pay it. Kayla Jackson. Does Ms. Jackson stipulate to the violation?
Yes, sir, she does.
I'll hear from you this time.
Judge Ruth Jackson, she stipulates the allegation, I just spoke with her about it. I spoke with probation, they were asking for 10 days to restore her to her current probation conditions. She's been in jail for 7 days, and it's agreeable to the probation grant.
You want it terminated or restored?
So, he has consecutive pay.
Does the consecutive case have any jail time already on it?
No, sir.
What everybody telling me is correct, Ms. Jackson?
You know,
All right, the court accepts your stipulation that you violated probation or revoke 8 days to the jail and restore you to probation.
We got one gentleman who showed up late. He was in the state public defender.
Okay. The Marion Cook. Mr. Cook, do you stipulate or admit that you violated the terms, conditions, and probation as listed in the petition?
Yes, sir.
What fine do you stipulate to the violation in the petition? Is there an agreement?
Yes, sir. Mr. Cook, the agreement was he did, I believe he's been in jail for 2 days. This time he served his time and he restored to probation. He works in the peanut industry, so he is busy right now, kicking back up. He said he could have $150 on Friday if they would like some sort of advance payment prior to his next report.
What say you, ma'am?
that's fine.
How much money? 150?
Yes, sir.
Where you gonna get money from on Friday?
I would have you,
You did.
sir. Yes, sir.
Well, have it paid by the 17th of October, all right, the probation.
All right, yes, sir.
But you restored the probation, all right? 2 days in jail for critical time served. You restored the probation, pay $150 by 10/17/22.
Your address is correct? I'll be report on next Thursday.
She put her in. All she did was take care of probation.
Yeah, take the work for the walk-in.